Hello guys, welcome to my C Sharp beginners tutorial part 8 switch statement. Previous video we talked about loops, so I hope you practice all the previous videos. I'm telling you, if you are planning to be a developer, all you have to do is practice. Practice will make you confident person in the software development. So okay, let's move into the business today. Today we are learning about switch statement. So switch statement like if conditions actually. So instead of nested if statements, we can use switch statement. We'll do an example and figure it out how this is working. We'll move to the Visual Studio. So here we are in the Visual Studio. So I'm creating a method void. I'll take as measurement. And I'm creating a parameter for this one. I'm using double. You also can work with me while I'm creating. I'll put this as measurement. We'll make this as display measurement. That would be good. Display measurement. I'll open curly braces here. Okay, so here we are starting the switch statement. So first of all, the demonstration, I'll start with switch. This is the keyword switch I'm telling. Here we need to add what's the parameter we took in the our method. So I'll put as measurement. Perfect. Like this. Actually here this measurement is the we are checking variable. So after that we are telling like case, like here we are checking several conditions, like several measurements step by step. So if we are using if statement, we need to put several nested ifs. So it's easy to use switch statements other than the if nested if. Hope you got that. First of all, I'll tell again, this is measurement. This is the one we need to check. So using this case keyword, we are checking several conditions, like whether it's 0, 10, 5, likewise. So here I'll put 0 0.0. So very important thing in here is, here we are putting colon. This is a colon. Remember, this one is semicolon, this is colon. So here we are using colon. So after that I'm putting enter. I'll tell why is that breakpoint is coming later. So we need to first create an error in here, otherwise we will not learning. So here I'm putting console right line, and I'm telling you learn these things likewise. Measured value is open and closing curly braces, measurement too low. First condition. First console right line. So we check one case. Okay, so I'll move into the case. The case I'm checking whether it's greater than 15. Okay, so here also remember we need to put colon here, not the semicolon. Okay, so same as earlier, I'm creating this one measurement. I'll take a copy of this one, kind of lazy. Here I'll put this is height. Okay, I'll put another case statement. Case. I think case is enough. We took two cases now. So after that, uh, when we are checking too many cases, we are using default case. That means we are checking whether the measurement is belong to this case, or whether it's this case, or we need to put a default value. So otherwise it will be not coming to the end. So we'll do that now. I'll put default. Here also we need to put colon, not the semicolon. Here I'm telling this is only. Okay, perfect. Save this one. So we can see there are some issues in there. Shall we check what are these issues? Here control cannot fall through from one case label to another. Can you remember previously we used some keywords in the while loop, and we also can use that for the for loop also. So have to check one of all the things. So avoid these. For the avoidance we can use break or continue. I hope you remember those things. So here what actually happening is, here in the parameter we are checking, we put the parameter as measurement. So our method is display measurement. So here in the switch statement we are checking some conditions here, case 1, case 2, and if not, it's coming to the default run. So here what happened is, when you are putting, he's checking everything, it's going again and again and again. It's like it's not coming to this one, only this one is working. Likewise, okay, hope you understand this. I'll do a demonstrate of this issue again and run, and we'll check whether it's working or not. Okay, shall we do this way, then you will understand better. I'll take this method. Yeah, I'll put after 16. Okay, this is not running because there are some issues, so I'll check anyhow what's the issue they are showing to us. Already there are some issues, so we'll go to the error list. Same issue for all the three. So the thing is, we can avoid this one by putting the breakpoint in here. See, perfect. Earlier when we are doing this break statement keyword is already came, but I didn't take it because I need to tell you why this issue is coming. So when we are doing the code only, we realize what's the issue in there. If those issues are not coming, we can't understand or we can't find directly what's the issue in there. So here it's 15. We'll check. Okay, measure value is 16, too high. It's too high. Whether checking is this case. Okay, we'll put duplicate this one and put 5 and this is the default value. See, default value means is they are checking this case. No, it's not. It's checking this case. It's compatible to this measurement 16 one. So 5 is default. So it's no cases for checking the 5. So it's showing the default. That's why we are putting the default condition at the end. Actually, it's not a condition. It's default keyword with the console. So whatever happen is there in no case checks for the measurement, it's showing the default value exactly. So shall we I check this statement, this statement also check. Shall we check another one? I need first one. So think about how to take the value of this one. I put 5, 16. What we need again to display this one? Measured value is too low. Like guys, I'll give some time. Pause the video and do. Okay, I'll count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is very easy. So here we are checking the condition whether this case is 0. So we are not giving any values for 0. So we will give minus value and check. Hope it will work. Measured value is -4. Why is not coming? We'll check. Oh, okay. I'll give another 5 seconds to check what's the issue, what's the error I did. I found the error, but I'll give some time. Accidentally I did this, sorry. So but you will learn what are these issues, errors. So I'll give some time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. So here check. Here I'm giving greater than 15. Here I forgot to give, so I'll give like this, then it should work. We'll run. Oh, here scan. Measured value is -4. It's too low. Measured value is 5. That means it's default value. Measured value is 16. That means it's too high. Likewise, so you can practice. There are lot of exercises in the internet, so you can practice those switch statements, switch cases using breakpoints. Likewise, you can do. So today video is like small, but you hope you learn a lot of things. So next video I'm going to talk about object oriented programming. So see you next time. Until now, happy coding.